kinds of medicines. Medicines play an important role in improving health conditions and treating or curing diseases and ailments. Medicine is the art of science and practice of caring for a patient and managing the diagnosis, prevention, treatment, or palliation of their injury or disease. Medicine encompasses a variety of healthcare practices evolved to maintain and restore health by the prevention and treatment of illness. Contemporary medicine applies biomedical sciences, genetics, and medical technology. Medicines and its classifications. Medicines is defined as a compound or preparation used for the prevention of treatment of disease. Most medicines are taken orally. Others are applied on the skin, inhaled, taken intravenously, injected, or inserted in the anus. Over-the-counter OTC medicine. Over-the-counter medicine is also known as non-prescription medicine. It is ordered and bought over the counter of drugstores or pharmacies. One does not need to present a prescription from a doctor to buy an over-the-counter medicine. OTC medicine is used to treat or prevent common communicable diseases and symptoms experienced during an illness or when the body is not feeling well. Common OTC medicines include 1. Analgesics helps treat mild body pain but is not anti-inflammatory. Example of an analgesic is paracetamol and mefenamic acid. 2. Antidiarrheal helps treat loose bowel movement or LBM, a loose, watery, and frequent defecation. There are 2 types of antidiarrheal medicines, one that solidifies the stool and one that relieves stomach pain and slows down intestinal contraction. Loperamide is an OTC antidiarrheal. 3. Antacid helps control the acid level of the stomach and relieve the pain and discomfort caused by such condition. It helps treat heartburn and indigestion. Heartburn is a burning sensation in the chest caused by an ulcer or other gastroesophageal problem. Indigestion is the inability to digest food properly, producing high acid levels. 4. Antipyretic helps lower body temperature during a fever. Aspirin and paracetamol are examples of antipyretic medicines. 5. Anti-inflammatory helps treat swelling of body parts due to infection. Examples of anti-inflammatory medicines are aspirin and ibuprofen. 6. Antiseptic helps prevent the spread of pathogens. There are antiseptics that are for external use only and applied on skin or taken orally to cleanse the mouth but are not to be swallowed. Rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and iodine are examples of antiseptic medicines. 7. Laxative helps regulate normal bowel movement. It also helps to relieve the pain and discomfort caused by constipation. Constipation is a condition in which there is irregularity and difficulty in emptying the bowels. It is B notes that there are OTC medicines that can cure 2 to 3 diseases at the same time. An example of this is paracetamol, which is not only analgesic but also antipyretic and inflammatory. Take note that examine carefully the doctor's prescription. Some prescription medicines are antibiotic, antihypertensive, depressants, narcotics, and stimulants. 1. Antibiotic destroys pathogens or harmful microorganisms that cause diseases. Patients need a doctor's instructions before taking antibiotics, especially those with higher doses. 2. Antihypertensive helps control and maintain blood pressure. High blood pressure, if not managed well, may damage vital organs, which can lead to heart attack and kidneys problems. 3. Depressants, referred to as sedatives or tranquilizers, are medicines that slow down the central nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. They alter one's mood and make the body feel relaxed. These are given to people who experience depressions, have mental problems or disorders, or those about to undergo surgical operations. 4. Narcotics are medicines that can relax the body and cause numbness. They relieve body pains and create pleasurable feelings. They are given to people with mental disorders or those undergoing psychiatric treatment and rehabilitation. 5. Stimulants energize the central nervous system. They can make the heart beat faster than normal and raise breathing patterns. The most important thing to remember about prescription are that doctors specifically match the medication, dosage, and duration to the patient's exact condition. Patients should not purchase prescription medicine on their own. Patients should complete the prescribed cycle of medication. If the medicine taken is incomplete, antibiotic is taken only for 4 days instead of the prescribed 7 days, patient may begin to feel better. This does not mean, though, that the bacteria have patient may begin to feel better. This also means that the bacteria will lie dormant and the infection will recur, usually in a more aggressive manner, and will need stronger medication. Both over-the-counter and prescription medicines are beneficial to one's health and well-being when taken properly. When abused and misused, they can alter body functions and processes and produce negative effects that can put a person's life at risk. Examples of prescription medicines are amoxicillin, doxycycline, cephalexin, ciprofloxacin, clindamycin, metronidazole, azithromycin, sulfamethoxyle, and trimethoprim, levofloxacin, augmentin, flagyl, amoxil, penicillin, tetracyclines. Remember, a medicine is any substance used in the prevention or treatment of diseases or ailments. Over-the-counter medicine, also known as OTC or non-prescription medicine, can be bought without a doctor's prescription. Prescription medicine requires a written authorization from a doctor before it can be bought. Performance Task 1.